G'day everybody and welcome back to Sydney Trains Vlogs. Just another quick update to the, to the Sydney, or Parramatta rather, light rail. Just decided on a bit of a walk to where we're going. Thought I would just do a couple of updates on a couple of the stops in separate videos. This one on the Parramatta light rail line being Fennell Street. To start off with, something I noticed just now is that there are some PIDs, or passenger information display screens, installed on one of the platforms. And just like, I guess most, if not all, of the stops, they have the stop names, the stop name signs installed. So this one being Fennell Street, so oopsie daisy, sorry. This one, I'm just gonna walk around. Without getting flattened by a car. But yeah, that's it. That's the Fennell Street light rail stop. But anyway, that's all. That's all for this little update of this light rail stop. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.